Okay guys, and now we have the pool and we have the edges for plants, and now we need to change this color for edges to be white. So just select these edges. I need to select all the edges together, so I will click L on the keyboard to select all edges, as you see. Sorry, I was select the rigon. This is the edges. Yes, select L on the keyboard. So after that I will change it to white color, like this. So after that we need to change this cup for pool to be also white like this. So that's good. So now we need to add a street or road around it. So what we doing, we are working on a hidden overlay, so let's change it to layer 1. As you see, if you work with overlay, the hidden layer like this, and then select the road, for example, there is a message that you are working in hidden layer. So let's change it. Before that guys, I need to select this shape to be the road width. So shape, copy shape, road, paste shape. So now we have a road around it like this. We need to make it bigger. That's enough, I think. So guys, as you see, the road is above the thing that I created before. So we are going to main, then send it to back like this, and that's good. After that we need to add a road strip like this. So let's work in a plan mode and drawing the road strip like this. This. Okay, let's go to perspective mode to see the result. That's the strip. I need to change the weight for this strip. That's better guys. So what we need else after that, let me check. We need these lines and the plant also. Okay, so guys, to create this these lines we have an option. So maybe we are going to landscape and choose from accessories. Maybe we we will find something like this. For example, plan mode, and we need to change the depth and the weight, and also we can edit the material to be with the white. We need a color watch. Okay. So that's it. And also I will change the elevation to be like that. Now we can copy this shape to be here also. We can use the modeling, but we don't take the lesson about modeling yet. So we need to copy this shape. Let me go to plan mode, copy and paste in the place, then move it like this. The most exciting things, I think. So going to the plan mode, we need to add a 3 palm trees for this side. As you see, I select palm trees before. You can search for palm trees and a common name like this palm, and then search. You will find it in model and picture. The ultra is not added for palm trees, so I will select this plant. So to add a lot of a plant, we need to select control, so you can add a lot of a plant together like this. You will see that this plant is small, so I will escape, then select one plant and press L on keyboard, so I will select it like this. So I will increase the starting age. As you see, maybe we need to increase it more. Exactly. So that's good. So now we have a palm trees. We need to fill this. Let me check the photo. Actually, I don't know what is the plant in this area, but we need to add something related to it. So this, we will add a plant row for this area. So go to plan mode, then I will select this area to add a plant row. It's very easy, and if you add one plant, it will take a lot of time like this. So we need one plant, so let me check. You need shrubs. I think this plant is related, so let's increase the plant number. Let me check in perspective mode. I think that's too much. I will increase the starting age for this plant. Actually, it's good, but we need to change the line from this side. Like this in the middle. Okay, now we need to add a plant in this area. As you see in the photo there, they added a sansevieria and aloe vera here. So we need to also add a plant row in this area. Guys, please excuse my English is not my mother language, so it's very hard to talking in English when it's not your main language. So excuse me, and if you don't understand anything, you can ask me of anything that you want in the answer box. Question box, and I will answer all your questions. So we need to add aloe vera, so we need to write aloe. I think this plant is good. We need also to add 2 plants, so just click here to enable, and we will search for sansevieria plant. We found it in the picture, so now we added 2 plants. So let's see in perspective mode. This is plant. We need to increase plant number. Guys, if it's a real project, we need to add the count of a plant that you want in the box below. Also, let's ignore the growth limit to increase the size, and we will change the starting age, and let's change it to plant number 1, and also ignore the plant, maybe like this. That's good. So now our project is completed, as you see, and here let me check to this area if we add a 3D grass and work through. That's very necessary to add. So that's our project. Now let me check. So let's now see our project in walkthrough. mode, I will select moving with mouse and keyboard like this. It's look like you are walking. Just press on the arrow in the keyboard like this to move. Look, wow, gorgeous. This is the pool, palm trees, plant. Look, this is a 3D grass. That's very nice, guys. So if you want to take a picture for your design, just select F5 in keyboard, then rename the picture that you want, then click save, and you will get a picture for your design. So we need to do something else. Plan mode, as you see, this design contain a plant details with the plant names like this, and this table for plants. So before that, if you remember that we make a transparency on the shape, this shape, so we need to increase the transparency like this to make it clear. So after that we are going to plant details to add a plant label. So you have to select this plant label related to this plant and click the right click on the mouse. So to select the plant, we need to add the palm trees that we add to modeling like this, real palm for example, and now we had a label. So do the same for all plants that you add. And also, if you see, there is the aloe vera and sansevieria with the same emoji or the same symbol. So now when you select to this plant row, to change the plan mode for this plan, sample, this is the plant and this is the sample. So remove this and select a sample for this plant to be a different so let me check if there is vera sample. Yes, this is aloe vera. As you see, we changed the sample of this plant. You can do the same for all plants. So now we add the labels. So after that we need to add a plant ligand like this. So when you change the sample, it's automatically changed to the plant ligand. So keep the plant ligand for the end, as you see. And here we have the count of this plant and the common name with botanical name, as you see. So after that you can print your plan mode or your plan, print plan, Microsoft PDF, and select OK. Plan. Actually I saved it before, so I will select to replace it. Let's see the plan. So guys, this is our plan. As you see, this is your plant. You can print it. So if you are drawing a plan, you need to keep in your mind the details is perfect. So guys, that was for practicing the tools that we make. If you have any question, please write to me and I will answer all your questions. See you in the next lecture. We will continue the tools that we don't talk about it, and if you do have any question, don't be shy and tell me if you want, and I will tell you again, excuse my language, and if you see that my voice is loud, please tell me in the direct message and I will fix it. Thank you very much and see you in the next lecture.